Hey friends, welcome back to Filled at Home today. I'm Ashley, and today I wanted to share with you my newest favorite way to try new hobbies and DIY crafts and activities every single month, trying something new. So recently I have received a box of this month's craft, and this is actually my second box. So the first box I had was an embroidery kit, super fun. Today I'm going to try out my DIY pottery box. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys, show you a little bit of what it entails, and then later I'm going to do this craft with my kids, and we're going to have some fun and see how easy it can be. And this is truly for beginners and people that want to try new hobbies, especially things like pottery, embroidery, jewelry, and things like that. This month's craft is the sponsor of today's video, but I truly love their products. I'm really having a lot of fun with these. Okay, so here we go. I have not opened this box yet, so let's see what's inside. This is the instructional booklet. So each box comes with an instructional booklet. This one is for pottery, so it's going to have our instructions for air dry clay. It's going to have some interesting facts about the pottery, and I really love how all of their boxes have really the history behind it, and then they thoroughly explain using pictures what you're going to be doing. And so as you can see here, it's showing you everything that's included in the box, tells you your toolkit. This particular box comes with the air dry clay, knife tools, which I love, because if you were to buy all these things separately, the clay, the tools, you've got sponges, blending tools, varnish, brushes, acrylic paints. You're going to be spending a lot more money gathering all these items for retail at a craft store. And so I love that everything is just here in the box. It's really easy to try it out. And if you end up liking it, then you can go ahead and go all in and get more stuff. But this stuff should last you a long time. You won't have to replace, much of anything here. So today, this month's project is an air dry clay pottery cup here with a handle. Kind of gives you a great picture of a starting point. Gives you tips and what to do with your pieces, how to handle clay. So for people that are really trying to try clay, I mean, this is a wonderful way to get into it, because clay is one of those things that can be quite intimidating. So it's great to know what you're doing when you're doing it. It'll also give you some tips on some other fun things that you can do with the clay, like impressions and textures, how to put two pieces together. That is a very important part. Also, drying it, it tells you exactly how long to dry it, all of those types of things. So it'll show you how to make a pinch pot. This is a really fun little activity. So you actually have a couple of activities here in your booklet. So keep your booklet for sure, because that's going to give you some great stuff that you can make over and over again. Make a vase. Oh, I love this one. Trinket dishes. You guys can go at the bottom. I will have a link. I actually have a tutorial on how to make some really fun pressed flower trinket dishes, but this is a great starting point here for a fun acrylic paint trinket dish. Okay, so this is, like I said, the instructional booklet. Let's see what else is inside. So, okay, I have my acrylic paint. Now, I have to say, this, if I were to probably go and buy this at a store, this alone would cost me $15. So like I said, this is a super affordable way. This comes with a ton of stuff. Oh my goodness. There are all these really cute pastel colors. I love that. Rose, pastel orange, pink. That's going to be so much fun. My kids are going to love that. I have 3 girls and they are just going to have so much fun with those colors. So we've got our acrylic colors. Let's see what else is in here. I love their packaging. Very cute. These are all the clay tools included with this craft. Now, I have recently only bought like 1 or 2 clay tools here and there, because of the fact that, you go to the store and it all ends up being so much money. You got to buy the sponge separate, you got to buy all this stuff. So, wow, that's coming with a lot already. Okay, let's see what else. We've got, wow, 1 big container here of the air dry clay. Yeah, recently when I have bought this for my activities, this usually runs about $12 to $14 just for this bag. So that is a great deal here, all in this box. Okay, awesome. I've got a couple of brushes here. Looks like a size 6 brush with a point, a round brush, and then a flat brush that is 3/4 of an inch. Super cute logo here and everything. Okay, so it looks like this box comes with a gloss varnish here and then a base coat. So we'll use that one first and then we'll use this one at the end. I'm thinking that the varnish kind of acts, yeah, like a varnish or a Mod Podge type of thing, just to kind of keep everything secure. We're going to be painting this with acrylic paint. Hey, so friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to continue looking through this box and see which project I'm going to be doing with my daughter. And we actually end up deciding to do the flower pot pinch pot. Like I told you, I have a part 2 of this tutorial on how to make that pinch pot. This is a beginner activity. And I hope this box and video gave you a great insight on what this box includes, what this subscription box includes every single month. The price for the subscription box is about $34 plus shipping, but you can get 20% off your first month with my code Ashley20, and the link is in the description. So this is a really great way for beginners and people that want to try new things to go ahead and try something new every single month. Lots of fun. We have done a few different projects and we're really enjoying them. Thanks for joining us. Look at those colors. Aren't those pretty? Which one's your favorite?
That one,